What's up beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing that bell icon, because I'm gonna bring up a lot of amazing videos that are gonna be fun and hauls, and it's gonna be a lot of things at the end of the day. Yeah, and today's video, as you guys already have read down below, is gonna be an Amazon haul video. Especially this is the Amazon sale haul video, and if you are somebody who's watching this on 26th and 27th of July, then you should know that there's a sale going on Amazon and you can get such discounted rates. So I'm going to show you all of these stuff and you can purchase all of them. Even if you're not seeing it on like in July, you can definitely purchase them. So now let's just get started. I'm actually already wearing few of the pieces, so these are the jewelry pieces that I got. I'll get into that quickly, and first I'm going to tell you about this beautiful nice baggy sweatshirt kind of a moment that you see over here. It has an amazing print going on all over here that you see, like this yellow stuff, and there's this girl with a big hat and a vacation vibe is going on, you know. And this one is like a very thick kind of a ribbed kind of a material, but more of like a cotton material, and it's a pretty thick material, I have to tell you. And this is like a crop style, but the crop is not very crop. You can literally wear it with your mid-rise jeans as well. This one is actually from Life by Shoppers Stop, and this one I got for only ₹299, which is a amazing price for sweat. One size up, because I like everything baggy when it comes to sweatshirt and tees, so that's why I went for large. But medium bhi acha lagta hai. You can stick to your own size, I would tell you. This really cute like jewelry neck piece that I'm wearing over here. This one is from the brand called Jewels Galaxy, and like they are always the ones that I get my like jewelry pieces if I get from Amazon usually, or maybe Ubella sometimes as well. A layered kind of a thingy that you see over here. So you have this nice earth kind of style over here, and then you have these rings, and then you have this half like a moon kind of a style that you can say. And this has like golden chain all over, and these chains are like pretty thin chain, okay? I won't say that they are like very thick ones, but they are definitely nice. And I got this one only for ₹266, which is a very good price. In fact, they have so many options, you will go crazy. You will feel like, oh my god, like which is the one that I should get. I cannot say if it's going to lose its color or something like that, because I've not used it for quite some time. So once I use it for a long time, then only I can tell you. But as of now, it looks really nice. Like the finishing and everything is pretty proper. And next up, I got earrings from Jewels Galaxy. I've got two things. Like I've got one set in silver and the other set in golden. So this is the golden set actually, and it comes with like 6 different styles over here. You have this really cute, this is like a plastic material, but yet it is like a very good finishing. Then this is like a flower thingy, and this is like a pearl thingy. So very good quality. That's what I can say. Also this plastic, this one also looks very, very cool. It is kind of a, you know, like an animal print kind of a style that you see over here. That is this nice hoop earring that you see, like a circular hoop, which has this very nice kind of a pattern, like zigzag kind of going on pattern, like very small pattern. I love this one. Like it's very, very lightweight. Like all of the pieces are very lightweight. That's the best thing. Next one that you have over here is this very, very cute kind of a, it is like a very dressy and pretty kind of option. You can see like full kind of a piece, like more of a dressier piece, and those are like more chunky and casual pieces. Lastly, we have this dangly butterfly kind of a style that you see over here. That what I am wearing already. This one has to be my favorite out of all of the 6 of them, because this is very cute. Like, can you see? The thing is that I feel like the hook part of this one is kind of very, very delicate. So all of these pieces that you see over here are like of very thin material. So you should not put a lot of pressure, otherwise it is going to break. 267 rupees mein I got all of these 6 pieces. So for that price, all of these 6 pieces like amazing. So and the next set that I got is going to be in the silver color. So I got one in golden and the other one in silver. So these are the small pieces that you see over here. Like this one. This is the favorite out of all of them for me. Like this has this kind of a leaf structure that you see, so nicely drawn leaf structure all over, and this is of a very compact size over here, so that is why I like this one. And then you have this another silver one, which I know looks quite similar, but it's very different. Like it's a bigger size than the leaf one that I showed you, and this is like a simple thingy, and this one has this kind of a hoop going on at the back. And then lastly you have this very simple silver kind of a hoop that you see over here, like the very basic classic one. Also this is something that is used so often by me. Like this is a very simple and yet very important piece, and this silver set was all for rupees 208, like 6 pieces for 208 rupees, which is, I mean, how do they afford it? I don't know. But yeah, let's get into the clothing section. And this jacket kind of a style, like it's kind of a top, but it's kind of a baggy jacket, you can say, which is from the brand called Only. Only is a very renowned brand again. And guess what? I got it in the size XL because I just wanted to try this. I was so tempted towards this one that I had to get it, so I was not getting my size, so I got it in the XL size. So this is how the jacket actually looks like. I know it does not even look like a jacket, but it is kind of a jacket style that you see. This is a very cool, like a floral print in green and all of these nice colors that you see over here. And the back is something which is very interesting. So at the back you have this V cut going on over, very baggy, like the sleeves are completely baggy. You can see falling sleeves over here, and then you have this really nice white lining wala detailing over here, and also at the end of this, like the hemline of this one. Okay, so you should get it in your own size completely. And this one is actually, when I purchased it, I got it for almost 620 rupees. I don't know, I think so it is fluctuating a lot, the price of this one. There's this piece from Kazo, and this is like a black top, and there's a big blunder that happened. Like I ordered for something like this. She has this really nice cut, V cut over here, and then this is like a very different kind of a beautiful style pattern that you see over here. And what I got sent is like completely different. Like Amazon did it for the first time with me, but that's fine. Like they literally sent me a tank top, black tank top, like a complete black normal tank top that you see, like a long tank top over here. The material, but I'll still like kind of review this one. The material of this one is like very thick one, and this is like a ribbed material that you see over here. And I don't know what is the price of this top, because the price that I paid for this top over here was 760 or something like that, and which was pretty pricey, and I don't think so I will keep this one for 760, to be honest, because tank tops are very easily available. Video will be too much extended, so I will show you that in the next video, and I will upload the next video just tomorrow at 12 o'clock. So do not forget to check that out as well. So that is going to be a part 2 to this one, and those are going to include such amazing sunglasses, guys. If you are looking for sunglasses, if you're waiting to buy something from sunglasses section, you have to wait for tomorrow's video. And also there are a lot of like clothing pieces as well, so do check out tomorrow's video as well. Like, and that's it. I'll see you next in the next video.
Yeah.